QMCO stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the next 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at quantum stock, man, it's actually quite sick. 40% up is well rounded off number. Generally speaking, for me, like, all I'm like really looking to do is still buy, right? But now after I saw these shifts, I think it's kind of like it's inevitable. Look, like, the whole idea on this is not that I'm gonna just force buy here, right? Yeah, finally started seeing double breaks. It's on. Like, it was so over up until like a few days ago. Like, literally like 5 days ago, I was like, it's over. But now it's really shifted, and I know it's pumping up. And this is like where it really becomes interesting, because, you know, in trading there's two games. There is getting inside a trade game and then managing the trade game. If you have like a sniper approach, you can manage this trade to however long you want, and this is the most rewarding thing that I've seen myself. But like, unless I see my rules met, then there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. So obviously we'll continue to keep you updated. This is by no means financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.